So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add tables to your design here on Canva using the desktop version. So once Canva is open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the left-hand side of your screen, press the Elements tab right here, located between Text and Design. Press on Elements to get this open up right here. Once that is done, simply just scroll down to the bottom to where it says Tables right here. Press on See All. Now you have a bunch of different options on how you want to create a table. So if you wanted to create a table, for example, of this purple one right here, you can go ahead and press on that. And by default, it actually does 3 across and 4 down. But if you want to change the dimensions of it, it's fairly straightforward. You can actually just go to the top here and press on the border. You can double tap it. You can press on the side right here. You can add a row if you want to add a row. If you want to, delete a row, you can delete a row as well. Basically, a whole bunch of different things you can do right here. It is completely up to you. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. But that is how you guys can add. Also, if you want to change the color of it, you can do that as well. There you go. That one's red. So as I mentioned before, super straightforward, super simple. That is how to add tables to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.